Hi children, welcome back my little ones. I hope you all are fine and safe at home. So children, today you are going to learn a new topic. Are you ready to learn children? Okay, I know you all are ready to learn the topic and you just take out your worksheet children. If you are ready, you just take out your worksheet. You just take page number 45. Okay, so I hope you all have taken your worksheets and are sitting in a comfortable place, isn't it children? Okay, so before starting the class, let's sing a rhyme. Okay, so children, it's a familiar rhyme. You have already learned in the KG class. Okay, you have to sing along with me. Okay children, the rhyme is, come little children. Okay, now you got it? Okay, you have to sing along with me. Okay, you just sing louder. Okay children? Come little children, come to me. I will teach you ABC. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. Oh wow, you all sang nicely. Okay, good children. Okay, so children, I hope you all have taken your worksheet and please take page number 45. So today you are going to learn vowels and consonants. Okay children, so before starting the class, let me ask a question. Can you say how many letters are there in English alphabet? I'll repeat the question one more time. How many letters are there in English alphabet? You all know the answer, isn't it children? There are 26 letters are there in English alphabet. How many letters are there children? 26, isn't it? 26 letters are there in English alphabet. In 26 letters, we can divide it into 2. Okay. The 26 letters are there according to the sounds of the letters. According to the sounds of the letters, we can divide into 2. They are vowels and consonants. Okay children, so each letter is having different sound. So according to the sounds of the letters, we can divide 26 letters into 2. They are vowels and consonants. Repeat after me children, vowels and consonants. Okay, so first we can learn vowels. Okay children, so can you see the some letters I have written in red color, isn't it? And the some others are written in yellow color. So can you pick out the letters which I have written in red color? Okay. Okay, you just say louder, okay. And what is the first letter children? It's A, isn't it? So A is written in red color. The next one is what? E. Okay, very good children. And the third one is I. And the fourth one, O. And the last one is U. Okay, so A, E, I, O, U, isn't it? So A, E, I, O, U are the vowels. Got it children? So repeat after me children. A, E, I, O, U. Okay. So the vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Okay. It's just like our 5 finger. Okay. Listen here is A, E, I, O, U. Okay. Just like our 5 finger, that is A, E, I, O, U. Okay. So 26 letters are there. From that, the A, E, I, O, U are the vowels. You got it children? Okay. Now just take out your worksheet children. Take page number 45. Okay, did you take the worksheet children? Okay, you just look at the worksheet. Okay. 5 letters of the 26 alphabets are vowels. Okay, listen here. 5 letters of the 26 alphabets are vowels. They are A, E, I, O and Okay. So, unlike consonants, each vowel has more than one type of sound. Okay. Each vowel has more than one type of sound. For example, if you take the letter U, okay, it's having the different sound. For example, if you take the word umbrella, U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A, umbrella. Okay, and what is the first letter given, children? It's U. And what is the sound? It's A. Isn't it, children? And the next example is uniform, U-N-I-F-O-R-M, uniform. And what is the first letter, children? It's U, isn't it? And what is the sound? It's U sound. Okay, so the both words having the same letter but having the different sound. For umbrella, U is the first letter but the sound is A. And for the uniform, the word uniform, the first letter is U and the sound is U, isn't it, children? So, having the same letter having different sound. And next example is, if you take the letter E, okay, E-G-G, egg. The first letter is E, and what is sound? It's a sound, isn't it? And the next word is eagle, E-A-G-L-E, eagle. What's the first letter, children? It's E, isn't it? And what is the sound? It's E itself. So, eagle, egg. The both word having the first letter is E, but the sounds are different. I hope you got it. 5 letters of the 26 alphabets are vowels, A, E, I, O, U. Unlike consonants, each vowel has more than one type of sound or even be silent with no sound at all. Sometimes the vowel sound will be silent. That means, if you take the example of the word wife, W-I-F-E, wife. And what is the last letter? It is E, isn't it, children? So, E is a vowel sound, isn't it? So, the E is silent in that word. Knife, K-N-I-F-E, knife. The last letter is E and the sound is silent. I hope you got this point. Isn't it, children? You just repeat after me, okay? 5 letters of the 26 alphabet are vowels, A, E, I, O and U. Unlike consonants, each vowel has more than one type of sound or even be silent with no sound at all. Okay. So, sometimes each vowel has more than one type of sound or even be silent with no sound at all. Okay. I hope you understood. The next we can move on to the consonants. Okay. And then page number 45. A picture is given. So, let's color our vowels. Okay, you have to color only the vowels given. Okay, you just take page number 46. Okay, children. Now, we'll just look at the board. So, I have written the some letters are in red and the some letters are in yellow color. You just read the letters I have written in yellow color. So, can you? Okay. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y and Z. Is it, children? So, the letters which I have written in yellow colors are the, say louder, it's consonant, isn't it? Very good, children. Okay. So, the consonants are B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y and Z. Very good, children. Okay. From this we came to know that in English alphabet, 26 letters are there in English alphabet. Among that, A, E, I, O, U are the vowels and the rest of the letters are consonants. Got it? Okay, we just look at your worksheet, children. The consonant is used to refer to a letter of an alphabet that denotes a consonant sound. Okay, the consonant is used to refer to a letter of an alphabet that denotes a consonant sound, having a consonant sound. Okay, for example, if we take the letter B, the B is a consonant. Okay, the sound of B is B. B, B for bat. Okay, so it's having the consonant sound as B. Okay, and if we take the next examples as C. Okay, the C sound is K. Okay, so K for cat. And then if you take the examples as F, okay, its sound is F. Okay, so the word fish, F for fish. Okay, got it. So each consonant is having the consonant sound. The 21 consonants in the English alphabet, are B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y and Z. Okay. So I hope you got it, which are the vowels and which are the consonants. So which are the vowels, children? A, E, I, O, U. Other than the vowels, the rest of the letters are consonants. Okay, and in page number 46, it's time to color the consonants. The consonant letters are given, you have to color it. Now, next we can move on to the exercises given in page number 47. Okay, I hope you understood which are the vowels and which are the consonants. Okay, children. Now, circle the vowels in the words given below. So, here some words are given. Okay, what you have to do? You have to circle only the vowels. Okay. The first one is what? C. S-E-E-C. So, can you say which are the vowels given in the word C? Very good. E. So, how many E's are there? 2 E. You just do along with me. Okay. You just take out your pencil. You have to do along with me. Okay. So, you have to circle this 2 E. Have to circle it. E, E. Okay. And the next one is, what the next word given is? I. What, children? I. Okay. So, which are the vowels given? Is E is a vowel? Yes, we have to circle the first E. And this Y is a vowel? No, it's a consonant. So, or the next one given E. So, E is also a vowel. You have to circle it. Okay. And the third one is R is given. Okay. So, can you see which are the vowels given? So, that is O and U. You have to circle O and U. Okay. So, can you do the next one, fourth one? E-A-T, eat. You just circle only the vowels. Did you? Okay. So, can you see which are the vowels, children? That is E and A. Do you want to circle T? No, isn't it? It's a consonant. Okay. And the next one is sun. S-U-N, sun. And which is the vowel given? is U, isn't it? You have to circle only U. And the next one is bell, B-E-L-L, bell. So which letter you have to circle? It's E. Okay, good children. Okay, the next one is owl. Okay, owl. So which are the letters you have to circle? Which are the vowel letters given in the word? It's O and U. Have to circle O and U. Okay, good children. And the next one is egg, E-G-G, egg. And which is the vowel sound? That is E, isn't it? So you have to circle E. And the next word is what, children? Cup, C-U-P, cup. And which letter you have to circle? It's U. And the next one is pie, P-I-E, pie. So what you have to circle, children? It's I and E. Okay, good children. Okay, and the next one is O-N-E, one. We just do it alone, children. O-N-E, one. So which are the vowel letters given in the word one? Did you do, children? Okay. Now can you see which are the vowels? It's O and E. Okay, good children. And the next one is owl, O-W-L, owl. So can you see which is the vowel letter? Is O. Good. And the next one is jug, J-U-G, jug. So can you see which is the vowel? Is U. Okay, good children. And the next one is ear, E-A-R, ear. And do it alone, children. You just circle only the vowel given in the word ear. Okay, it's E and A. And the next one is apple, A-P-P-L-E, apple. Okay, so which are the vowels, children? A, then E. Okay, and the next one is car, C-A-R, car. And which is the vowel? Is A letter, A, C-A-R, A is the vowel. And the next one is box, B-O-X, box. And can you say which is the vowel letter? It's O. Okay, good children, it's O. And the last one is umbrella. So which are the vowel letters, children? Is the U is a vowel? Okay, so you have to circle. Is the M is a vowel, it's a consonant. Okay, and B is also a consonant. R is a consonant, then E is a vowel. So what you have to do? Have to circle it. Circle E. And what about this LL? It's a consonant. And the last letter is what? A. A is a vowel. So you have to circle A. Okay. The first one we have already done. Circle the vowels in the words given below. So what is the first one? C, E, E are the vowels. And next one is I. The both E's are vowel letters. And the third one is R, H-O-U-R, O and U are the vowels. And eat, E-A-T, E and A are the vowels. S-U and sun, U is the vowel letter. Bell, B-E-L-L, E is the vowel letter. Then O-U-R, O and U. Egg, E is the vowel letter. Cup, C-U-P, U. And pie, P-I-E, which are the vowels? I and E. One, O and E is the vowel letters. Owl, O-W-L, owl, so O is an vowel letter. Jug, U is an vowel. Then E-A-R, E and A are the vowel letters. Then apple, A-P-P-L-E, A and E. Car, A is the vowel letter. Box, O. The last one, umbrella, U, E and A are the vowel letters. Okay. Now shall we do the next exercise? In page number 47 itself, write the consonants of the English alphabet. Okay? Okay, children. Okay, you have already learned how to write cursive, capital and cursive, small letters. Okay? What you have to do is write the consonants of the English alphabet. Just now you have learned which are the consonants, isn't it? those letters you have to write how capital and small. In first two lines you have to write the capital letter, and the third and the fourth you have to write the cursive small letters. Okay. So, you have to write cursive capital and cursive small letters. Okay. Now, we can write cursive capital letter, that we can do it together, and the third and the fourth line, that is cursive small, you have to write it alone after this class. Okay. So, I hope you all have taken your pencil. Okay children, now we can write it together. We are going to write cursive capital letters. Okay, that is consonant letters of cursive capital letters. Now, shall we do children? Okay, now what is the first letter? A. A is an vowel or consonant, is an vowel. So, what is the next letter? B. So, B is an consonant, yes, isn't it? So, you have to write B. Just write B children. B. Okay, and what the next one given is C. So, write C. After writing each letter, please give a one finger gap. C. C. And after C, D. D is a consonant letter, isn't it? So, you have to write D. D. Okay, then after D, what children? It's E. So, the E is a vowel, isn't it? So, what is the next letter? It's F. F. Okay. So, after F, G. Okay, very good children. G. Just write G. G. Okay, after G is what children? Is H. H. Okay, so after H, I is a vowel or consonant. Okay, is a vowel, isn't it? So after I, J. Shall we write J children? Okay. Write J. J. So after J, K. K. So after K children, which letter children? L, isn't it? So write L. L. Then after L, it's M. Okay, it's M. Then after M, N. Good children, okay. N. So after N, O is an vowel or consonant. It is an vowel. So what's the next letter? P. So write P children. P. So after P, it's Q. Q. So after Q, it's R. R. So after R, which letter children? You just say louder. R. S. Okay, you just write S. S. Okay. So after S, T. T. Then U is a vowel. So after U, V. So write V. V. Then after V is W. W, after W, X. You have to write along with me, okay children? X, then Y, Y, and which is the last letter, it Z. Z. Okay, so these are the consonant letters which we have written in capital letters. In the third and the fourth line, you have to write the cursive small letters. Okay, you just repeat after me, children. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y and Z. Okay. Now, shall we do the last section in this worksheet, that is page number 48. Okay children, let's play with vowels. Okay, the picture and some letters are missing. Okay, you have to fill the blank with the vowels. Okay, fill in the blanks below with the vowels. Okay, which are the vowel letters children? You just say louder. A, E, I, O, U. Okay, good children. Okay, so can you say what will be the first one? Okay, look at the picture. What is that? It's rat, isn't it? So R dash T, R A T, rat. Okay, now look at the second one. So can you name it children? It's an eagle, isn't it children? So which are the vowel letters you have to write? After E, A, isn't it? A, G, L, E, eagle. Okay, and the third one is tiger, isn't it children? Okay, what you have to do children? You just write the missing letters of the word tiger. Which are they? After T, I, isn't it? I, G, E, R, tiger. Okay, and the last, the three words are given. Okay, what is the first one? So can you guess children, what is that? It's an ant. So what is spelling of ant? A-N-T, ant. A-N-T, ant. And the next one is ball. B-L-L, ball. B-A-L-L, ball. Okay. And the last one, C-T, C-A-T, cat. Okay children. So I hope you understood today's class. Today we have learned about the vowels and consonants. Okay, 26 letters are there in English alphabet. Okay, among that 5 letters are vowels. They are A, E, I, O, U, and the rest of the letters are consonant letters. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to complete this worksheet, the vowels and the consonants. And also you have to color the pictures in page number 45. You have to color the vowel letters, and page number 46 color the consonant letters. Okay, and page number 47, don't forget to write the cursive small letters of consonant letters. Okay children. Okay, that's for today. I hope you got today's class. So bye children, and see you in the next class.